In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get custom songs and mods in Beat Saber on Steam. If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience with more songs and exciting mods, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you're logged into your Steam account. You can do this by either using the Steam application on Windows or accessing it directly from your browser. This is important because all the modifications we will be making are directly associated with your user account on Steam. Once you're logged in, open the Steam application. The next step is locating Beat Saber within your Steam platform. To do this, find the search button, which is typically positioned at the upper right-hand corner of your Steam dashboard. Click on this search button and type in Beat Saber, then hit enter. Now, from the search results, you'll see Beat Saber listed. Click on it to go to the games page. This page hosts all community-related aspects like discussions, news, and guides, which can be immensely helpful in this process. There's a shortcut to customizing the songs, and that's what I'm going to show you next. Beside the game's title, you will notice a link to the Community Hub. This is your gateway to a wealth of resources. Click on the Community Hub, as this is where you'll find valuable guides and resources related to Beat Saber. Within the Community Hub, look for the Guides button and click on it. This section is dedicated to various user-generated guides and instructions for different games on Steam. Here, you want to pay attention to the guides specifically related to Beat Saber mods and configuration. One of the notable guides you might come across is by a creator named Jaffa Cakes. This is a well-regarded resource that will not only show you the different versions available but also provide detailed guidance on how to customize songs and mods within Beat Saber. To get custom songs on Steam, you will need to install certain mods. This is a simple process that can be initiated by clicking on the modding guide you've found. There's usually a straightforward installation link or button. Click Install to download the necessary files or modding tools. Installing these Beat Saber mods gives you access to tailor the game's music library to your liking. Once the installation is complete, you can start customizing songs to enhance your gameplay. Keep exploring the guides and community tips, as they will give you more detailed customization options and updates that might interest you. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding custom songs and mods to Beat Saber on Steam. Enjoy your new gaming experience with a plethora of new songs and amazing mods. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.